Get straight to that right now. The United States has reportedly reached a deal in principle with China. Bloomberg reports that the only thing in its way is President Trump to sign off on this deal. The president and trade officials are meeting in the White House right now, as reported by Blake Berman earlier. Jillian, your reaction to this?
I mean, I think progress is incredibly important on trade. And I'd also like to point out, when Hong Kong Human Rights and Democracy Act passed, one of the concerns was this would affect trade. I think we're seeing that Xi Jinping and the Chinese government, even though they don't like the U.S. standing for human rights, they won't let that influence something that's that economically important for China. So
Absolutely.
I'd say move forward with other
condemnation of their behavior. Keep that economy chugging along. And we were talking with a guest earlier about how growth is decelerating there. Inflation is on the rise. China's in a very tough predicament. The president says they need us more than we need them. And you certainly could make that argument. Yeah, I mean, the Chinese government, you have to remember that their legitimacy derives from economics. They don't have a social contract with their people that's based on consent of the governed. So I think that puts a lot of political pressure on Xi Jinping, on the Chinese Communist Party, to reach a deal, especially as the pain is starting to set in. Jillian, great to see you. Ethan and Kelly, thank you as well. We'll talk to you guys again.